Hello guys! Now today we're gonna unbox
Ninja Professional Blender and Nutri Ninja Cups.
Yes, so it's 2-in-1. It's a blender and also a Nutri Ninja or a bullet. Okay, open it now, ate.
As you see, there is this little speck, so you have to like pull it and then you have to put it up.
Wow! What's inside? Hi, Lois!
First, number
Wait,
one,
just woke up?
instructions.
It's okay.
And lots of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Step 2, the blender part.
That's the cover.
Okay, and then another blender part.
Oh, this is a Nutri.
Another blender part. The foam.
Wow.
The big blender part.
Is it glass?
Yep, indeed.
Whoa, what's that, Lois?
She's supposed to take
What's
it.
inside? Are you having a hard time?
Yep.
You can go on the chair.
We will go sideways.
Sideways, smart. Hi, Loisy.
Oh my god!
What's inside? Whoa, that's a blender.
That's why I couldn't get it.
Careful. What?
Whoa.
Oh,
And there are more parts.
it's massive.
The cups.
We don't need this one.
Can I have the phone?
With this one.
Thanks. Not the phone. Yeah.
Oh, you want the foam? Oh. What's that, Lois? Oh, you know how to use it, huh?
Actually, I take it back.
Yeah, but you only need one. You only need one. There. Wow, this is quite long. It's like 1 liter. And then you twist it like this and twist. You wanna try it?
Sure.
What's inside still? No more?
No.
That's it? So we have the machine, the blender machine. We have the 2 Nutri Ninja or bullet. And you have here the... Can you open this one, ate? Open here. Oh, careful, there's a blade. Oh no! Almost fell. Careful, it might break. Okay, and then oh, so that's it. And then 2 cover, and this one on top.
How do you work? Put it together.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's try it out. Oh, there's the sharp blade.
And Daddy can open the top so you can put in the hill.
Yeah, you put the fruits inside. So this is the blender. So sharp. It turns. So
Put that on
put
there.
it here,
How about this one?
and then turn it on.
How about this one?
Ah,
How about this one?
come on, let's try this one. And this is the covering, like this. Am I doing it right? Oh no, you need to open this one first.
Can you put this please? Daddy,
Oh, it has a lock.
Daddy, look.
There. And then,
Looky.
Ah!
And you open this please.
Oh. Hold the bottom. Pull! Pull! No, not this one. Hold this one. There. Okay.
I'm a full.
Oh, this is... There's a locking mechanism. Push and then there.
Daddy, look. I put it in here.
And then you cannot remove
Daddy,
it.
look. There's one thing.
Ah,
There's
nice.
one thing.
Hiding.
I'm hiding.
Auntie Yana's in the washroom. Okay,
Let's open this.
let's try this one.
Daddy can put juice in here.
Yeah.
So you can.
Then I put juice and then we'll try it.
Daddy, you need to do it.
Okay, let's try
Oh,
now.
Daddy can put this in there.
Okay, here we go.
3, 2.
We're gonna test it now. Okay, put all the fruits. Chop. And we got bananas. Trying it. We just wash it first before using it. And it has a safety feature. So if there's no lid, it won't work.
Excuse me, Dad.
Uh-huh. Like this.
Daddy.
See? It doesn't work.
Daddy, look. I'm gonna add some strawberries.
Okay, you put all the banana. Look. Okay.
2, 3.
Are you just using your hands?
Fine, I'll use a chopstick.
No, it's okay. Don't worry. You can use your hands. You wash your hands, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Loy! Hey, monkey! You're eating monkey banana?
2.
Pineapple.
3.
Yeah.
And then one of these each.
Wow.
Add one more strawberry, maybe 2. And
Whoa.
then I'm gonna add this. I think that's enough.
Wait, there's more. Make it full, like half of this here.
Okay.
At least it's good for maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cups.
Daddy!
Yes, baby Lois. What?
I'm not big and
Yes, Lois.
When I make that,
Mhm.
like that, after make, when I make ice cream.
Oh, they make ice cream
Yeah.
with the blender.
Yeah.
Oh, nice, nice. What you're doing, Auntie? Okay.
Daddy.
I think that's enough.
Daddy.
Can I try?
One more.
Okay.
Let me, Daddy.
Okay.
Now touch
Milk. Where's the milk?
Sure.
So we're actually using.
I have the milk this way.
We're also gonna get some
There you
ice.
go. I want to put the ice in.
Okay. You put the ice first. What happened?
Can we use the plastic ice? It's reusable.
No, you don't mix smoothie with plastic ice. No. Okay.
1.
No, you can just pour it. Pour the whole thing. Not the whole thing. Sorry, half of the thing. I'll help you.
No. Oh. Daddy, this is cute.
Yeah, it's a cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Daddy, let me bring this to you.
Huh?
Let me bring Daddy.
Band-aid?
Daddy.
Why, you have yayay?
Yeah.
Oh no. No, Ate is busy making smoothie. Okay, that's enough. That's enough ice. Okay. And then your milk. Whoa!
Here you go.
It's massive. Okay.
I'm not gonna put this in the freezer. You take.
Okay, I'll put it in the freezer. There we go. And the milk.
Daddy.
Okay, pour in the milk.
We're doing absolutely the opposite thing.
Yeah.
Lion
Whoa. Yes, Lois. So maybe just 5 cups. Whoa, that's a lot.
Daddy, mine put. Daddy,
Yes, Lois.
mine put this pill and a phone and
On the floor?
someone step in it.
Oh my god, and then they slipped? They had an accident?
But this salmon they will not slip.
Oh, and they get flipped.
And that jump and it's not slip.
Okay. Hey, what's it doing?
And it's something like Dad.
Ah.
He's like this. She's saying he's like this. Like that.
Oh, like the banana peel? Okay, let's cover it. So this one has a safety
Hazard.
feature. Not hazard. So you can only use it once it's closed. Like this.
Really close.
So if it's open, the lid is open like that. If you power it on, and then it won't work. Unlike if you close this one, and you close the lid, and it clicks.
Let's press the power button. 3,
Press number 1
2.
first.
Oh.
Excited too. Number 3. Whoa, and pause. Wait. So
Yay!
Oh, just press it. Ah,
Can I do it?
yeah. Are you firing a gun?
Yeah, I heard that, so I was like,
Yeah. Whoa. It's so loud. It's kind of loud. If someone's sleeping, you cannot use this. How about this one? Single serve. No. Oh. Nice. Okay, let's grab a cup. I think it's done. Awesome. And then you can just. Whoa.
I hope you drop your GoPro on there.
No. Yes, Lois. Where's the cup? We need a cup.
Okay.
Oh, this one goes here now.
We'll use a plastic cup.
Yes, Lois. Okay, let's try this one.
Try it out.
Let's try it out. Is it delicious? We did not put sugar or anything, just milk. Ah, can you open it, please?
Sure thing.
Ew. Wait. Open it. Click. Make it click. No. Oh, there. Okay, good. Yeah. Yummy. Oh no. Oh no. It's okay. Okay.
Oh no, you put that near.
Ah, you need to click it. Try it. Yummy? You did not drink. Oh, careful, you may spill.
I did. Just spray it on my hands.
Yummy?
Yeah, yucky.
Yucky. Yucky. Let me try. Mmm. It is yummy. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Silly.